Hi there, I'm Michał. I'm a software engineer at Digital Nomad, and I'm here to teach you how professional engineers actually write software. I'm originally from Poland, but I've lived on 4 different continents in the US, in the UK, Germany, Kenya, Peru, but I'm currently based in sunny Portugal. I speak English, Polish, Spanish, and Portuguese. So if you break your code, we can cry about it in 4 different languages. Now, whether you want to master JavaScript, Python, PHP, Java, some other programming language, or you're looking to build complex React Native apps, deploy backend APIs, push them to the cloud, I've got you covered. I don't just teach programming languages and syntax, I actually teach you how to build real-world projects. Now, I'll also show you the latest AI tools to help you code twice as fast. And we'll work on real open source projects to help you build your portfolio. Having worked for major tech companies and taught coding bootcamps, I know exactly what hiring managers are looking for. So if you're ready to stop watching tutorials and build real software, book a trial lesson. Let's write some code together.